Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate dates. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 20 large medjool dates, which are perfect for their soft texture. Carefully pit each date by making a small lengthwise slit and removing the seed. Next, decide on your filling. Popular choices include creamy peanut butter, almond butter, or a single whole almond for a delightful crunch. Now, let's fill those dates. Take about 1 teaspoon of your chosen filling and gently stuff it into each pitted date. Don't overfill them, as you want the date to close nicely around the filling. For the chocolate, melt about 8 ounces of your favorite high-quality chocolate chips. You can use a microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each, or a double boiler for a smooth, even melt. With your dates filled and chocolate melted, it's time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each date by one end and submerge it completely into the warm, melted chocolate. Lift it out, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. Place the chocolate-covered date onto a sheet of parchment paper. While the chocolate is still wet, quickly add your desired toppings, such as a pinch of flaky sea salt or finely chopped pistachios. Once all your dates are dipped and topped, transfer the parchment paper to a baking sheet and place them in the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely set and firm. These delicious treats are best enjoyed cold. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.